Hello, all are welcome. How nice your dress is. Nice dress. How sweet your voice is. All these are, I am giving you compliments. To give compliments to others' work, other good activities, it is a good style. It is accepted by all. In my previous classes, we were discussing all about adjectives. We are present here today with another lesson, that is adjective, use of adjectives, and to give compliments whenever someone is doing any work. How to appreciate, how to praise his work, we will learn today. We are going to learn similes. Similes, yes, it is direct comparison. Comparison of adjectives we have discussed in my previous classes. Today you will learn a new lesson, that is comparison between two different things. Their qualities will be compared here. Look at the board, what I have written here. Anger is like fire. The man roared at me like a lion. I have compared anger with fire. Anger, whenever a man is angry, it can burn everything, like fire can burn everything. So wrath and anger, this is the quality of human being, and it is also the quality of fire. Fire can burn everything. So fire and anger both are compared here in this sentence. Again, the man roared at me like a lion. Roared, this is a call of lion. And whenever a person is producing any sound, that is also our speech, our talk, but here roar. The man roared, that is somewhat it is shout. The man shouted at me, that is roared at me like a lion. A lion roars, and it is very grave. It is not soft voice. And whenever a man is angry, you can see, you can hear the grave voice of the man. So we have compared here the voice of the man with the voice of that is the sound of the call of the lion. Both different things are compared here, and this is called simile. I have written here similes, direct and explicit comparison. That is simple comparison, simple and direct comparison between two different things. And how to compare, I will show you the list. There you will find 30 similes. At the same time, you can ask me what is simile, and the answer is simile is a figure of speech. Figure of speech, there are speeches, whatever we are saying, all these are speeches, and there is another ornament. You can say it is ornament, and it is also the speech. We can name this speech as simile. So simile is a figure of speech where we compare two different things with their qualities. Okay, so we have written here a list. Look at the list. I will be telling you how they are used and how they are compared. First of all, I have written number A, as cunning as a fox. You know, a fox by nature it is cunning, very sly. And whenever we find any person very sly, very cunning, we can compare the person with a fox here. That is, we can give this compliment to other people. Now, number 2 I have written as black as coal. Coal, you know, it is black. So we can say your hair is as black as coal. At the same time, number 3 I have written as white as snow. Color snow white. and color black, it is coal. So white, snow is white. Your hair is, your dress is, your shirt is as white as snow. After this, as fast as a hare. Our hair can run fast, and whenever someone is running fast, we can say, oh, you are running as fast as a hare. Next, number 5, it is slow as snail. Snail, it is very slow. So we can compare any work, any person with the snail. That is, movement is compared here. Movement of a snail is compared with another movement of anything else, any person. Number 6, as blind as a bat. Bat, we know a bat cannot see. So whenever blindness is compared with two different things, we can use as blind as a bat. Next, as cold as ice, as hot as fire. I have compared here fire with anger. Here I have used also as hot as fire. Fire is very hot. At the same time, as red as blood. The red color, it is blood. It is always true. At the same time, as fat as a pig. A pig is very fat. As busy as a bee. Bee, this bee is very busy. They are always hardworking. So you can compare a good person with the good quality, as busy as a bee. Next, as bright as light. As it is bright always, whenever there is light, you can compare as bright as light. Next, as steady as rock. Okay, as steady as rock. Rock is always in one place. It is fixed. So it is steady as rock. Next, as hard as a stone. Stone, we feel a stone, it is hard. So our feeling is they are hard. Next, number 5, as heavy as lead. Lead, so it is very hard and it is also heavy. So the weight is compared here as heavy as lead. Now come to 16, as old as hills. Old thing, hills are millions of years old. Okay. After this, as playful as kittens. Playful, this is the quality of any person, any student, any child. So they are playful, children are playful, and kittens are always playful. Sportive, you can see all the kittens are always active, playful. At the same time, as timid as a rabbit. Rabbit is very much afraid of anything else. So as timid, the quality timid, it is compared with the quality of rabbit. As dry as a bone. Whenever dry bone is there, we can say as dry as bone. As light as feather. The weight, it is feather. As proud as a peacock. Proud peacock. Peacock is always proud of its beauty. Next, as beautiful as a rainbow. Rainbow is always beautiful. Next, as graceful as a swan. A swan is very much graceful. You look at the swan, then you find it is very graceful. Next, as poor as a church mouse. The mouse of a church, it is poor. Next, number 25, as brittle as glass. Glass is easily broken. Okay. Next, as wise as King Solomon. That is, the name of Solomon. And also owl. Owl is also compared with the wisdom. So as wise as an owl, it is also correct. Next, number 27, as quick as lightning. Lightning is very fast, very quick. Next, number 28, as obstinate as a mule. An obstinate ass is also obstinate, and mule, it is also obstinate, headstrong. Next, number 29, as gentle as a lamb. Lamb, the baby of sheep, lamb, it is very gentle. The quality, good quality, it is compared here. Next, as brave as a lion. Here we have mentioned lion. The quality of lion is again bravery. lion is very brave. We can compare a boy, a man, you are as brave as a lion. In this way, I have discussed all about similes. But to find out the similes, I will give you a clue. You must remember this clue. How to pick out, how to identify a simile in a sentence. Whenever there will be these words like and as. When there will be these words like like and as, you will find there is simile. So whenever you are given any poem and any prose piece, there you are asked to pick out a simile from the passage, pick out a simile from your poem. So remember, this will be the clue. Find out the word like and as. These two words will be in the sentence. Then you must understand, you must be sure there is the simile. In this way you can compare and give compliment to other, and it is also discussed in detail with 30 examples. More will be discussed in the next class. Today up to this one, thank you all.